Hi everyone, this is Dr. Virginia Ellis. Today's question to answer is, Doctor, how do I use an electric toothbrush? Is there a difference between an electric toothbrush and a manual toothbrush? Absolutely, you betcha there is. So here we go. Before we start, if you can kindly press that like button, I'd really appreciate it. And it will also help other people like you find information like this that does help their teeth and improve their quality of life. All right, so here we go. An electric toothbrush, you are going to be using it differently. Here's the first thing. You're gonna turn it on, and what you're gonna do is you are going to hold it 1 to 2 seconds, okay? 1,000 to 1,000, 1,000 to 1,000. Remember that you're not gonna hold it 90 degrees like this. You are going to angle it, okay? What's nice about this toothbrush is all you have to do is hold it in place. You don't have to move it around. A lot of people, the number one mistake they make is they go like this, like a regular toothbrush. Oh, it's not a tooth that fell out. That's good. So you gotta hold it. See how this bzzz. And the nice thing is you hold it 1 to 2 seconds over each tooth surface, making sure that you are angling at the gum line. And the beautiful thing about this toothbrush is you don't just clean where you're touching, you're also cleaning beyond that area, up to 1 to 3 millimeters past where it touches. So a lot of times with this toothbrush, when you are using it, you're gonna see that the saliva is bubbling past to the other side because those sound waves are actually reaching past the areas where it's touching. I hope that makes sense. So this toothbrush works by sound waves that travel through water medium, like your saliva, okay? So yeah, you just hold it 1 to 2 seconds. So don't brush like this, don't do this. Most people, like when I ask my patients, how are you brushing your teeth? Yeah, I'm doing it like, no, don't do that. Super easy. This toothbrush does the job for you, okay? So, okay, you're gonna go like this, right? Angle 1 to 2 seconds. And then usually when I do this, I kind of go like that and then this way, okay? And then when you get over here, go ahead and switch over. And this has a timer. The lovely thing about the electric toothbrushes is they have timers. So they tend to recalibrate every 30 seconds. Beep, beep. They'll give you that, or they'll like kind of like vibrate again in a different way to let you know, oh, it's 30 seconds. Time to go into the other side. So once you finish going on your cheek side, then you want to flip it. Yes, I'm showing you my teeth. You want to flip it and then hold the toothbrush. I'm gonna just take this apart and you're gonna do the palate, okay? You're gonna hold it like this. You're gonna make sure that you are actually feeling that vibration. You wanna feel the teeth, the bristles of this toothbrush. I don't know if you can see that vibrating. Vibrate, and you wanna feel that it's vibrating on your gum line, okay? 1,000 to 1,000, 1,000 to 1,000, 1,000. And here you can actually hold this toothbrush horizontally, although I like to do it vertically better because you reach, okay? On the bottom teeth, it'll be a different story. But you want to do this, okay? And then just making sure that you're actually angling and that you're feeling that like you're angling and that you're vibrating into the gum line, okay? Let's see, right there. You want to feel this, that, okay? Once you're done with that, so you're gonna be here, then you're gonna go to the cheek side over here. So this would be the equivalent of doing this, okay? And then you're gonna go like this. Angle, let's see if I can show you clearly in here. Angle, like this, right? Make sure that you're hitting that gum line. And did you guys hear that? How I was recalibrating the timer? You wanna make sure in here, make sure that you're actually doing this, okay? Don't do the mistake a lot of people do. They go like this. They think that they're brushing the gum line right here and they're missing it. So make sure that you're not doing this, but you're actually doing this. So the difference between, let me see if I can get it closer, doing this and doing this. You see how we're reaching the gum area? The gum line is very, very important to reach, okay? Just like that, 1,000, count in your head, 1,000 to 1,000, 1,000 to 1,000, and then flip over here like this, making sure that you're actually feeling that you're touching the gum line, okay? Once you get to the front here, do not brush like that, because if you do that, look what's gonna happen. See that? You don't really reach that. You wanna make sure that you're actually holding it vertically. Okay, holding it like this vertically. I'm going to show you. Want to hold it vertically. 1 1000 to 1000, 1 1000 to 1000, 1 1000 to 1000, 1 1000 to 1000, 1 1000 up to 1000. There you go. And then it'll stop on its own. Now, if you find that you need to brush longer, brush longer. There's no rule telling you that you cannot brush plus 2 minutes, okay? So, but the one thing I will tell you is try not to brush less than 2 minutes, because research shows that if you do that, you're not likely to have taken care of all of the stuff that's accumulated throughout all of your teeth. And the other thing that's nice about the electric toothbrushes is that if you're pressing too hard, they'll give you a sensor. There's a sensor. This one in particular is great because it's not on right now, but we're gonna give you like, if you press too hard, it'll turn red. And as you're brushing your teeth, you can actually see the light turn red. If you're seeing yellow, okay, this is the IO brush, it'll tell you you're using just the right amount. It'll tell you that you're not using enough, okay? But if you see green, it's like, okay, green, go. You're using the right amount. It's just like a street light, okay? Red, too much force. Yellow, it's too light. Green, you are just right. Okay, this toothbrush is the same, okay? The nice thing about this toothbrush is when it spins, it actually reaches smaller areas, okay? And it is a great toothbrush. Again, what you want to do, same idea with both toothbrushes, okay? This is another version of the Oral-B, and this is a Sonicare, okay? So, yeah, 1 to 2 seconds on each tooth surface. When you're done brushing your teeth, what you want to do is, I tell people this all the time, just take your tongue and kind of feel. Like when you get your teeth cleaned at the dental office, it feels super nice, smooth and pearly smooth. That's what you want to do. A common area for people to miss is on the upper anterior teeth, your upper front teeth. What I do is I kind of feel, and then if it feels like kind of rough, not pearly smooth, just go back with a toothbrush and then just hit it, a couple more seconds, and then feel until it feels like pearly smooth. That's how you know you've cleaned your teeth. Now, I say that with a side note. If your teeth are not smooth, it could be that you are overdue for a cleaning. So if you haven't gone to the dentist in a while and you have tartar that you're not aware of, it's going to feel rough. But the best way to gauge it is, how do your teeth feel after a dental cleaning? A lot of times they'll feel pearly smooth. You want them to feel pearly smooth because that's how you know that they're really clean, okay? And another thing, you are not going to know whether or not you did a good job unless someone else looking from the outside into your mouth, right? From the outside in will tell you, because you can't see. Sometimes you think, yeah, I'm doing a good job. I have people saying, yeah, my gums don't bleed when I floss. Most people are not flossing properly, and that's another video that we're going to go over, because what I have found is that about 90%, yes guys, you heard right, 90% of the new patients that I have coming into this office don't know how to floss properly. So, and this is pretty common in other practices too, because I worked for other doctors before having my own practice here in Orinda, and I found that to be the case in other practices. Most people don't know how to brush and floss properly, and sometimes they learn, but they forget. It's kind of like when you're an athlete and you're running or swimming, you need a coach to guide you. Sometimes you fall off in your technique, but you need a coach to guide you, to tell you, hey, you got to use this technique to stay, to make sure you get the results that you're looking for. All right, I will see you at the next video. And if you found this video useful, you liked it, please click on the like button to let other people know that there's information out there like this that could help improve their qualities of lives, as it can improve yours as well. All right, I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.